We you know somebody right now that has had a situation where and maybe you've talked to him like, yo, why don't you let him see his kid? Like, he paying child support, he doing all the things. You know what I'm saying? I have a client right now. I have a client right now. This dude pays this lady's mortgage, his son's tuition, half of the grocery bills, all of his sports, without being told to do it. He got a girlfriend. She took him to court for She took him to court and said, you have to pay me. Didn't show any of the previous receipts. And now the court is saying that he has to pay, it's like $1,000, something like that, less than what he was already doing. So she was getting more when he was just dolling it out to her. To be petty, because he has a girlfriend now, she took him to court and she's getting $1,000 less.
Well, here's the thing. I don't feel sorry for men who say that I'm paying all this money, but she won't let me see my child. That's what the courts are for. Unfortunately, you have to go through the white man. You got to go through the system. You got to go through the courts. But if you go and you fight for them kids and they're like, you don't have you ain't been no domestic violence, you taking care of business, there's no reason why you should not. Yes. I see somebody said, that's why men don't want to get married. Hell, I'm the one that was paying my ex-spousal support. I had all the children. I took care of everything. I bought them a house, paid out. I did all of that stuff as a woman. You guys act like marriage only benefits men. Marriage only benefits women. It actually benefits men more. And somebody talked about men paying child support. Women pay child support too. Mm-hmm. Don't get the shit twisted. It goes both ways. The issue is people don't want to take responsibility. But to the point, Dr. Lene, I don't feel sorry for people who can't see their kids, because if they fought hard enough, they could. I think that's the reality. Sometimes the courts don't work in your favor, but for the most part, if you fight for them damn kids, you should be able to see them, especially if you're paying for them.
You should, but sometimes these courts, so when he went to court, so one of the things was he had a bad lawyer. He's fighting it right now because anyways, he had a bad lawyer. Sometimes these courts, they still side with the mom, even when the dad does the right thing. But you are right. I did not take my son's father to child support. We were just really, really cool like that. And when I started my business, I had sent my son to go stay with his dad. His dad wasn't doing good, but I didn't want my son's quality of life to change just because he was living with his dad. So I was sending his dad $300 a month and paying my son's. Yes. I was like, just because you have him, his quality of life shouldn't change.
He's still our son. You should
want him. He's our son. Just because you don't mean his quality of life should be good. When I come to town, if I see something ain't right, I'm gonna take care of it.
That's adult, right? That's being an adult. That's being a parent. That's being
an adult. We're in this together.
Yeah, y'all quibbling over pennies, and the kids have to suffer, and that's the thing that I don't like. But let's take a look, Tiara, at the next video so that we can dig a little deeper.
Ladies, if you don't know, now you're going to know. All right, child support is only for the child, okay, or children if he had multiple by you. It is not for you, okay? You must exclude you, go work, do whatever it is that you have to do, and provide your half as well to supporting your child. You can't count just on the man providing for his child.